Hey friends, in today's quick video, we're going to take a closer look at the Fullstar adjustable mandolin vegetable chopper. Tons of stuff here. We're going to give a couple things a demo and give our quick thoughts. So here is everything that is included straight out of the box. Obviously you can see we have our main cutting container, but then all sorts of different accessories that we can use for different styles of cutting and chopping that we need. You're also going to get a cut resistant glove, nice little extra that they throw in. Okay, so for our first test, we're going to be chopping this onion. Now I need to go ahead and peel all those outer layers off so we have a nice clean onion. And then we're going to need 3 different things here from our kit. We're going to need our little base plate here that we can stick on the bottom. We then need our main top chopper thing here. We're just going to stick that on top of the main unit. And then we need to choose between our different chopping blades. So one is already installed here. You can see this makes things a little more fine. This is going to be really nice for our onion. Or we have something a little bit larger. We can get larger chunks. Be very careful not to touch these blades. They are very, very sharp, as you can see. Now, for the fine chop, we're already installed. If we wanted to switch this out, we just flip the lock mechanism, pull that out, stick the larger one in its place, flip it back to lock, and we're ready to go. Okay, that should be a bit easier to manage. Let's go ahead and stick it flat side down. Again, be very careful of those blades. We'll take the top here, and we're just gonna close it down onto that onion, pushing it down nice and flat. We'll move it up, and as you can see, we've got things nice and diced. Let's do another one here. There we go. Man, that makes quick work of this onion. Getting a closer look at our little chunks here, you can see it really diced it up nicely. That's exactly what we want for most of our cooking. Okay, so let's give the spiralizer a test here. Now on the bottom, you can see from the little spiralizer here, we have a couple of different things. One, we have this cap. So we're gonna stick our zucchini to test things out. Then you can see we click into this little clear base, and we have a number of different settings down here that we can push. So for julienne style, we can push 1, or 2 would be for kind of a ribbon cut. So what we can do with our zucchini, basically take that little clamp part. I'm just gonna stamp this down on top. So as you can see, it holds it just like that. And then we are going to move it over here, over our little spiralizer, and we are ready to work. Okay, and then basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start spinning, a little bit of pressure on here as you move down the zucchini, and you can see we're already getting some of those nice spirals coming out. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. So you can see as I'm pushing, it's just doing a really nice job of cutting and creating all those nice zoodles, or again, the spiraling. So again, a cool little attachment. Now the other blades attachments look like this. You can kind of swap things in and out. Again, you basically just run your potatoes, your zucchinis, your other things that you may want to just slice, just like this. And again, you can flip out the different attachments and swap them. So again, this kit is really full. It should give you all the cutting abilities and different options that you need. Definitely be careful. All of this stuff is really, really sharp. That's really our only kind of warning. So thumbs up on this guy. You can find it right here on Amazon.